Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. This is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel, and if you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. I'd like to say thank you to all of my new subscribers that I have. Thank you to all my returning subscribers, and I appreciate all the likes, the shares, the comments, and I appreciate you guys watching my videos all the way through. That really means a lot. And thank you to all of my channel members. I appreciate you very, very much for helping me keep things going. I appreciate that. Let's see. Oh, yeah. And I hope you guys have enjoyed the intro. And the WIP caddies that you saw are some of you subscribers, WIP caddies. And I love that. That's one of my favorite parts of starting the WIP caddies is to showcase what you guys are working on and what all you have in your little carts. And you guys have them really filled up. Some of you do. Mine is too as well. Yeah, so if you'd like your WIP caddy to be in one of those, just send me an email, put it in my Facebook group page. Everyone would love to see it. They're just the 3-tier carts that people are buying to put their projects in. Grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, and let's just enjoy some good old yarny talk that we have this morning. My first project I'd like to start off with is a shawl that I had wrote a pattern for last year, and I'm making another one. So I have I think maybe 4 that I have been gifted in these Shawl in a Ball yarns. And so I thought, man, I need to make me another one of my Shawl in a Ball Shawlettes because I really did like that pattern. Well, I don't have the one that I made last year because I gave it away. So I hope that person is really enjoying it as much as I had making it. Well, anyway, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. Okay, here's one of the things I'm working on. I already have a crochet tutorial of I'm making another one. It's been at least a good year since I made this. And the pattern is called Shawl in a Ball Shawlette. And this is the one I'm making here. So it is a work in progress. There's the stitches. Nice and lightweight, very pretty. And here is the front of it so far. So I'm just getting started on this deep purple right here. All right, let me turn it around. So I want to pull this out right here. Okay, I want to show you what I'm using. This is Shawl in a Ball. And see, I'm just getting into this deep purple right here. That's going to be so pretty on that. Look at that, guys. It's going to be beautiful. Okay, it's called Mindful Mauve. And I do have another one of them right here that the pattern itself only calls for one skein, for one Shawl in a Ball Shawlette. And I was thinking I may want to go ahead and make this a little bigger, so I went ahead and put a second one in here. And the hook that I'm using for this is an H hook. That's a 5.0 millimeter hook. There we go. 5.0 millimeter hook. This is a clover hook that I'm using. But yeah, the pattern that I did is only one skein. And but I was thinking, well, I may want to make this a little bigger. I don't know. But it is so pretty, and I'm so excited about this purple. It's 58% cotton, 39% acrylic, and 3% other fiber. It's a medium 4-weight. There's 518 yards in here. But this is it. This is what I'm using. And like I said, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see that dark purple, deep purple actually, mixed in with that. Isn't that going to be so pretty? Move my camera back a little bit so you guys can see it a little better. Yeah, that's going to be so pretty. Anyway, I'll keep you guys updated. Like I said, I made this last year, and the one that I made only used one of these. So who knows? I may end up just doing the one. But yeah, that's one of the projects that's a WIP for me. Good old coffee. You guys enjoyed that one? I had so much fun. I'm really looking forward to completing this one to see how those purples come about. That's going to be so pretty. All right, let's go ahead and look at an octi throw that me and my sister Tanya are working on. Well, we're going to work on it. It should be on my hook hopefully this weekend, and so that's why I went ahead and included it in this video. So let's take a look at that. So this project here is out of the Crochet World magazine. It's October 2020 is what it says on here. Harvest Home, 6 colorful projects to welcome fall. Anyway, the one that I'm planning on working on, this is me and my sister Tanya. We are going to tackle this. Isn't that beautiful? And we've actually pulled out colors that are as similar to this as we can get. This is all big twist yarns. Let's see. There's the pattern, and here's all the colors that we pulled out to make that. So I'm pretty excited to work on something with my sister. It will actually be our second project. I do have another one that we are working on. That's something. So I'm pretty excited about that. The bag that I have here, it says Happy Place. Isn't that cool? I got this from that 5 and Below store over the summertime. And I just thought it was so pretty. But anyway, it's perfect to put this in. I haven't started it, so it's not exactly on my WIP, but it will be on my WIP starting this weekend. Okay, and I'll keep you guys updated on that, on what I think about that. Okay, that's going to be a big project, but it's going to be a year-long project, so I'm not even worried about it. I think it's going to be fun. Those colors are just going to be beautiful together, and hopefully my sister will learn a lot of new stitches. Maybe I'll learn some new stitches too, and we're just going to do this together. So it's going to be a lot of fun, especially when you get to share it, you know, with your sibling. So yeah. And if you guys have that magazine and you want to join in with us and show your progress and stuff like that, go ahead if you have that magazine. I think it'll be a lot of fun. This isn't a crochet along or anything like that. It's just, you know, making the throw or trying to make the throw. I'm sure we'll do it very well. I'm pretty determined. She's pretty determined. She's a very fast learner. So I think it's going to be okay. And I think it'll be a lot of fun watching all those neat colors come together. Okay, hope you're still enjoying my video. Let's go ahead and look at the next thing that's on my WIP Caddy. This is a corner-to-corner blanket for my grandbaby. So the other thing on my WIP is this corner-to-corner blanket that I'm making for my grandbaby. I'm using an H hook, a 5.0. These yarns are, I had ordered these over the summer. It says Department 71 Flurries. The color of this green is called Tundra. It's a 3-weight, 50% acrylic, 50% polyester. There's 248 yards in this. And it's distributed by Hirschner's. So that one is called Tundra. I'm not even sure if they sell these anymore. I don't know. But I'll go ahead and show you my colors that I have picked. That's called Frozen Peach. And this blue one is called Glacial. All right, so that's the colors. Let me move the bag. And here is what I've got done so far. This is so pretty, guys, and it's so soft. Let me move my chair. Okay, and it's just corner to corner, but I thought I'd get it up close and show you how this works up. Isn't that cool? It is a lot prettier than I thought, that's for sure. And the blue doesn't really look that blue in this camera, but oh my goodness, it is a beautiful blue in reality. But that's what I've got so far on it. That is one ball of this, or one skein of this. That's what this produced. And I can't, this is awful. I can't, because I started this just before Christmas. Oh, and the color of that one, called First Frost. I started this just before Christmas rush. And so I can't remember my color flow, because some reason I have 3 greens in here. So I'm going to have to remember what my next color is. So I'm pretty sure it's probably not green. I mean, that color. I'm thinking it was probably orange. Like maybe blue, orange. No, I'm sorry. Blue, green, orange, green. That color. That glacial color. And then end it with green. That's going to be a pretty big blanket. But I'm thinking that was, well, no, because I started with blue. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's probably the way it is, because I didn't want them ending in the same color. That's right. But I don't know why I picked so much green. I'm trying to look, see if I have any more. Yeah, it looks like the only other colors I have over there is purple and green, and I didn't want purple in it. But anyway, I thought this would be fun and nice and soft. Who knows, my daughter might end up using it. But I think it'll be very pretty. So, and it's just, like I said, it's just corner to corner. So you just start on the corner here. It's just really cool. And guys, this is really soft. But like I said, I don't even know if Hirschner's even sells this anymore. Here the yarn is up close. There you go. Now you can see it real good, what it looks like. Yeah. So that's the other one I'm working on. Oh, this coffee is so good this morning. Okay, it's a little chilly here in the house. I had to turn my little fireplace on. The next thing I have is a cardigan that I'm wanting to start that I saw on Premier's website. It's a free pattern. And yeah, I'm not really sure what I think about it, but I'm going to give it a try. I am, as you can see in this video. So let's take a look at that. All right, so the other thing I was thinking about doing, but have not had time to do this, and it does call for a 3-weight. I'm only on row 6, so I'm not really sure when I'll actually get back to this. Taking a G-hook right there. It says G-hook. Yeah, I'm only on row 6, and right now it has me working on this. So this right here is all that I have done. And it's all slip stitch, so I'm not really sure how happy I am about that. Let's see if I can bring it up closer. Yeah, it's not the greatest thing to start off a pattern, is doing all slip stitches. It's a free pattern off Premier's website, though, and it does look nice and comfy. But slip stitching, right there, let's see. So I'm thinking about doing the large on me to make it really roomy. So I've got to have 22.5 inches of that. And it looks like I probably only have about 2 inches. If even that much. So, and it's all slip stitch. Yarn over slip stitch. And that's where I'm at. And yeah. But I'm using this black yarn that I got. Where did I get this? It's 100% acrylic mega ball. I can't remember where I got this, But I have tons of it in different colors. I think it was from Hobie, I think that might have been where I got it. But anyway, so that's a WIP that may stay a WIP, or I might go ahead and take a day and just suck it up and do all those yarn over slip stitches. Because I know it'd be pretty when it's done. But honestly, guys, who wants to sit and slip stitch all the time? I mean, come on. Okay, guys, that was the last. Those are the 4 things that I'm concentrating on for the moment. Okay, this blanket is what's on my hook immediately right now. This is what I'm working on. And the other things that I showed you guys, I'm working on a little bit here and there, but this is the one I'm working on the most. It's just corner to corner. And the yarns that I'm using, they're all big twists. This is white, this is black, and this color right here, this is sapphire. It should be, yeah, sapphire. It's the one that they're out of, so I'm having to wait till they get back in stock. And so far I've used sapphire, see if we use sapphire, what color is that? White. So sapphire and white, and then I'm almost out of this black. Yeah. And the hook that I'm using is, this is a Crochet Society hook. It's a 5mm crochet hook. No, it's a, yeah, Bella Coco Crochet Society hook, 5mm. So that's what I'm using for this project right now. And to finish, I'm still increasing. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 2 more rows of this, and then I'm going to do 2 more rows of white, and then I'm going to do 1 row decrease of white, and then I'm going to repeat this whole pattern right here back again. So I'm going to, it's going to end with black. We're just going to repeat the whole pattern. So yeah, that's where I'm at, and this is going to be a birthday gift. I hope you enjoyed those, and let's go ahead and see what 365 Days of Prayer has for us for the day. And I thank you guys so much for all the positive comments you leave, the emails, the letters, the cards, all the different things that you send me, encouraging me to keep this up. I appreciate that so, so very much. Okay, this one is called These Dreams. Take delight in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. Psalms 37:4. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Awesome God, why do I try to limit you, which limits me? I have these dreams, Father. They are big and bold. They scare me. So I try to pretend they aren't there. I listen to the voice that says I'm being selfish, or the one that says it's impossible. I remember who you are. Can I confess something? This scares me even more. What if my wildest dream is only the beginning? Can I handle the crazy, beautiful adventure you have planned for me? This dream that won't leave my heart? Give me the courage to find out, good Father, and then make those dreams come true. What dreams are you waiting for God to fulfill? That was very nice. Very nice. I love that. It was just beautiful. Well, guys, that is all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.